For those of you I've not met, I'm Emmett. Welcome to Conversations in Property, where we break down everything you need to know about property investment. Today, we're diving into one of the most important concepts every property investor must master: how to calculate your return on investment, or ROI. Now, understanding ROI isn't just for the pros. It's your roadmap to making smarter, more profitable decisions. So grab your notebook, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to run the numbers like a pro. First off, what is ROI? Simply put, ROI measures how much profit you make compared to the money you've invested. It's the ultimate way to answer the question, is this property worth my time and my money? The formula is straightforward. ROI equals net profit divided by total investment times 100. So let's break that down step by step using a real life example. Imagine purchasing a property for £250,000. You're putting down a 20% deposit, which is £50,000. And you're budgeting for £20,000 worth of refurb costs. And on top of that, you're paying your stamp duty, which is £12,500, and the other sundry fees. This means that your total upfront investment from yourself is £85,000. Now, you plan to rent that property out for £1,500 a month, whilst your mortgage and your operating costs come to £1,000 a month. Got those numbers? So, step one, calculating your annual net profit. That's your yearly rental income minus your yearly costs. So, your rental income is 1,500 times 12, which is 18k. Your costs are £1,000 a month times 12, which is 12,000. So, your net profit is 18k minus the 12, which equals 6,000. Step two, divide your annual net profit by your total investment. So you're dividing the 6,000 by 85,000, and that equals 0.070. Step three, multiply that by 100 to get your ROI percentage. So in this example, your ROI is 7%. Now, the right question is 7% good? Well, that depends on your goals and the market conditions. Generally, for a buy-to-let property, 6 to 8% is considered average. For flips or high-risk investments such as HMOs, you might aim for 15 to 20%. But wait, before you rush off and buy your property, you got something else to do. Let's stress test your numbers. So what happens if interest rates go up or your renovation costs exceed your budget? For example, costs could rise to £1,200 a month and your annual profit drops to £3,600. That's going to affect your ROI, which is then going to fall to, in this example, 4.23%. This is why it's crucial to build a buffer into your calculations. Now, if you want to make this process easier, I've created an ROI calculator which is free to download, and you can download it today. Just click the link below, and that will enable you to input the numbers and do all the heavy lifting for you. And it's in the description below. But in this example, you've learned how to work out the ROI. But the smart ones should be asking two key questions. How do I find higher returns, and how do I stress test properly? This is clearly the key to successful property investing, and that's where we come in. You can subscribe and follow for more information and check out the other videos, or you could click on the link below and explore the Investor's Fast Track, which is the fast track to building your property portfolio professionally. And whether you're just starting out or you're researching and you're looking to scale your property portfolio, understanding the numbers is absolutely key to success. Now, if you found the video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more property investing tips. And don't forget to grab your free ROI calculator from below. See you in the next video.